After you've conducted a search, OneSearch allows you to find the most relevant information by using filters. A few filter options appear at the top of the page. The rest of the filters are found under All Filters on the left side of OneSearch. You can filter your results by availability, resource type, subject, year, and more. In the Availability section, you can limit results to online items, open access items, physical items, or narrow your search to articles from peer-reviewed journals. If you're looking for one type of item, like books or articles, use the filters in the Resource Type section. Subject filters are really helpful for getting more precise search results. Select subjects to include in your results with the boxes to the left of the subject. You can select more than one. To exclude a filter, click the icon to the right of the filter name. You can also limit results by year of publication. Any filters you've chosen appear at the top of the panel. You can remove a filter by clicking on the X. To return to the original total results list, select Clear All. If you have any questions about using OneSearch, contact us by phone, email, or come in to a UWA library.